chirp, so small and still. Brown little feathers, quick and sweet, dancing softly on tiny feet. Peacock spreads feathers big and bright, blue and green, a shining sight. Fan goes open round and wide, India's pride with joyful pride. Parrot talks in green so loud, hello, hello, it makes us proud. Red beak shining, clever and smart, talking bird with a playful heart. Crow goes caw from the tree so tall, black and shiny, watching all. Smart and quick, it flies away, finding food throughout the day. Duck goes quack in the pond so blue, waddle, waddle, splash, splash too. Yellow beak and feathers neat, swimming happy on webbed feet. All wakes up when the sun goes down, big round eyes, a silent crown. Hoo, 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 in the moonlight glow, nighttime bird flying slow. Pigeon coos on rooftops high, cuckoo songs across the sky. Gray soft wings and gentle way, flying home at end of day. Eagles soar so high and proud, above the hills, above the cloud. Strong sharp eyes and wings so wide, king of the sky with fearless glide. Flamingo stands on one thin leg, pink as roses, calm and leg. Long, long neck and graceful pose, dancing where the cool wind blows. Little birds and big birds too, many colors, many hues. Chirp and tweet and flap and fly, birdie friends fill up the sky. Sparrow hops on a windowsill, chirp, 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 so small and still. Brown little feathers, quick and sweet, dancing softly on tiny feet. Peacock spreads feathers big and bright, blue and green, a shining sight. Fan goes open round and wide, India's pride with joyful pride. Parrot talks in green so loud, hello, hello, it makes us proud. Red beak shining, clever and smart, talking bird with a playful heart. Crow goes caw from the tree so tall, black and shiny, watching all. Smart and quick, it flies away, finding food throughout the day. Duck goes quack in the pond so blue, waddle, waddle, splash, splash too. Yellow beak and feathers neat, swimming happy on webbed feet. All wakes up when the sun goes down, big round eyes, a silent crown.